Okay, so here's our sign. All of our classes that we offer. With these, you also get a 10% discount, which we're also going to extend to Anne's bride. So when you come in to check out Anne, come see us. We're going to give you a 10% off coupon that you can use that day on all of our awesome products. So come on in. Let's take a tour around. Let's go. All right, welcome. Here we are. So right now it's summertime and Father's Day. We're having a heavy barbecue presence. So all kind of lodge, barbecue things over here. All of the cookware, which our brides absolutely love. So generally what we recommend when you want to come in and register, start at the perimeter, which are the outer sides of our store. Those are all of the concrete things you need so you could be a successful cook in your kitchen, cook wonderful things for your partner, if you're having a guest. So we're going to help you out with that. So over here is all of our cookware. We have stainless steel, so we've got all clad, the Williams-Sonoma lines. We have non-stick, so we've got all those healthy people. We've got your ceramic non-sticks, we have your classic non-sticks, all of that here. And of course, who doesn't love the beautiful copper? Copper is super in right now. Copper and brass is totally coming in for your kitchens. So we got you on that. All of our tools. What bride doesn't love the fun tchotchkes for all of her fun parties? Always the best to pull out a really handy tool. Bakeware, lovely bakeware. So for your showers, if you want to do a theme for a shower, we've had girls come in that do baking themes for their showers. So this is a section you definitely want to come into. So for our larger event that we throw, the store is yours. We'll show you around all these tables. We'll actually occasionally bring in a vendor, like for example, a florist or an event company that will come and actually do up the table beautifully like what you would have at your event that you'd be throwing for your wedding, or maybe you're throwing a housewarming party, anything like that. We're gonna help you out. We've got you covered.
Wow.
Isn't it great? It's awesome. Okay, let's take you to Williams-Sonoma home, because this is something not everybody knows that we have.
Check this out.
This is our Williams-Sonoma home line. This is where Anne's going to be set up. So when you come in, come to home, Anne is going to be right here showing her beautiful veil work, letting all the girls try out and
Thank you,
daydream,
Alessandra.
know exactly what they want to do. She's absolutely fantastic. She gave me one of these at our last expo that we met at. I absolutely loved it. Loved being a bride again. Thought about communion for my daughter. So if you've got a child, granddaughter, anybody getting married, come on in and see Anne.
Come on in.
Absolutely awesome. You will love her. So this is our home section. So it's our sofas. We're doing bedding now. We've got tables, chairs, rugs, carpeting, flooring, pictures, decorative accents. Anything that you need from your kitchen to your bedroom to your living room, we've got you covered. So come on in, come see Anne, get your 10% off, and we'll see you on Sunday.
We'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon. Hi to Yuki.
Hi.
Say hi to Anne. It's 12850 Memorial Drive, Suite 420, and then it's Houston, Texas 77024. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, 713-827-8056. We'd be more than happy to help with any questions you may have.
Awesome.